Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Java correctly for developing Minecraft mods. That's quite easy, you only need to download the JDK. It's important that you choose the 8th version, not a newer JDK version, because the Forge Gradle has some problems with newer Minecraft versions, so just install the JDK 8. For now, maybe you can update later, but for now just use the 8th version of the JDK. I use the newest version, accept the license agreement and download for your operating system, and for the right version of your operating system I'll choose the x64 version. Just download it and then run the installer. I have already installed it, so I won't show you how to install it, but that's quite easy. You only need to click, and then it's going to install the JDK and within this the JRE. The problem now is that the JDK installer don't set up the Java environment variables correctly, or the system environment variables correctly, so we need to do this on our own. Java will install it under the main hard drive, then under program or program files x86, and then the folder Java, and then there is the JDK and the JRE version. Now just copy this path of the JDK and search for environment variables. I need to do this in German because I have a German system. I click on environment variables, and then under system environment variables you need to open the path variable. There we need to insert our path to the JDK within this bin folder, so just insert this. I have already done this there, so I won't do it again. And you need to do the same for the JRE. Just insert it and you're right. Okay, now for Gradle we need the Java home variable also. This is also quite easy. Copy this path, not within with the bin folder, and paste it here. Click OK, OK, and then OK, and your system environment variables are set up correctly. You need to restart the console, and maybe you need to restart your PC because they are not always changed everywhere, so there might be some bugs. Just restart the system and everything is alright. Now we have set up Java correctly. Now we need an IDE. You can choose IntelliJ or NetBeans. I'll go with Eclipse because that's my favorite IDE, but you can choose every IDE you want. I'll download Eclipse, just download and run the installer, and it will set up the Eclipse IDE, and then from taskbar you may run it, or from everywhere else. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video I'm going to show you how to install Forge and stuff like that. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.